Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to share with you how I cook some Geera chicken neck. So here I have some chicken neck that I already clean up by removing all these little things. I don't know what them name, but I remove them. Basically clean up the chicken necks, cut away excessive fat and all of them something there. Right? So what I'm gonna do now is to basically cut the chicken necks into halves. So one can cut it. Okay, so now I'm going to season the chicken neck. So what I did was to wash the chicken necks into vinegar and water solution. Then I put to drain and then I use a paper towel to get rid of the excess water. So now I am going to season it. So I'm going to use salt around, I don't know, maybe half teaspoon. I don't measure my ingredients. I set it over and over again. If I measure my ingredients, I will not get it right. I always get it right when I don't measure it. I am going to use also some seasoned salt. And this is not the Jamaican seasoned salt, if you're wondering. Yeah, it has no MSG. It's from Lawry's. This is Maggi chicken season. Badia complete season. And I'm using around half teaspoon of each. And this is Maggi chicken, Maggi all purpose. And this is basically finished. So I have another one that I will be pulling, but that is enough that I want to put on the chicken neck. So that's basically all the spices that I will be using. And I also gonna put a bit of curry. And this is the Indian curry. I purchased this from an Indian lady. Okay, so this is the real Indian curry with methi and jeera and really smell nice. This is the real Indian curry, I'm telling you. So what I'm gonna do now is to just rub up everything and make the spices and the curry come together. And I am gonna let this soak for maybe 20 minutes. Okay, so I am gonna make Geera chicken, right? And you can use the ground Geera if you want, and you can also use the seed. I am gonna use the seed because I feel like I get a better result from the seed than from the powder. But if you want, you can use the powder. If you're gonna use the powder, you can put a little bit of the powder on this right now. And it's cumin powder. That's what the Indians call Geera. Cumin. So I am gonna put just a little bit of crushed pimento seeds. Right? You can use the powder if you want. Sometimes I use the powder, sometimes I use the seed. I feel like using seed in this recipe because pimento is from Jamaica and I have a lot of pimento seeds. And the seeds are much stronger than the salt. To season the chicken neck also, I am going to use some fresh herbs. So I am going to use just half of one onion. Piece of green thyme. And this is 2 stalks, scallion, but they are small. And I'm just gonna roughly chop it. So after I season the chicken neck, then I wipe the entire area with bleach, you know, so in case you're wondering. I'm using 3 cloves garlic, and these are banana peppers. So they are not hot. They are not hot. They are more for this one is not banana. This one is Scotch bonnet pepper, but this is not the true Scotch bonnet pepper. The true Scotch bonnet pepper, the bottom is flat, really flat. So when you turn it like this, it shapes like a Irish thumb. So this is not the true Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, so like I was saying, the banana peppers are more for flavor than eat. So that's why I'm using 4, because it's not hot. And I am gonna use this small pepper. This one is hot, right? What I'm gonna do now is to cover this and put it to marinate for about maybe 15-20 minutes. A lot of people say marinating the meat or whatever is not important. It is not important to you, but it is important to me. So if you don't want to marinate the meat, don't marinate it. You understand that you have to eat it, and I mean you have to eat it. But you see, one of me have to eat, me love when me season it and put it down for at least 20 minutes. That's just me. I put a pot on medium heat and added 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use. So I am going to add this amount of cumin seeds or whatever seed you call it. And I'm going to pour it into the oil. Alright. If you're using the powder, the cumin powder, you can put it in the oil as well. And I am gonna put some pieces of ginger. These are some of the ginger that I removed from the seasoned meat. So I'm gonna add the curry powder now. I'm gonna burn the curry powder into the hot oil, and this is around 2 teaspoons. Curry powder, this Indian curry powder is very light. It is not heavy, right? So in the curry powder. Now I am gonna add the chicken neck with a good stir. I'm going to cover the pot without adding any water. Listen, If you like your curry meat bright yellow, this curry is not for you. You understand? I don't like bright color curry meat because to me the curry look raw. Look like in a cook. So if you like bright color curry meat, this is not for you. Use the curry that you want to use. Okay, so the chicken neck cook in its own juice, and the curry, you know, and everything blend together. Right now flavor starts to develop. This smells so good, trust me. So what I'm going to do now is to add 2 cups of water. And this water, this amount of water will cook the chicken neck. I am going to cover the pot now, and I am going to put the heat on medium low. No, I'm going to put it on medium. So let's have a look at it. I switch burners, right? I put the pot on this burner. It was on this burner and I put it over on this burner. So you can taste and add more salt if needed, but mine is okay. So I'm gonna cover the pot and allow this to simmer down some more. If you are a gravy person, you can always turn off the heat before I did, but I am not a gravy person. I'm okay with just a small amount of gravy or no gravy at all. So this is the Geera chicken neck.